Hi friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video, oh my gosh, I'm so hyper and excited. I got a $50 basket. I think it was like $51.96 for free. And I got $33 back in Walgreens cash as these three boosters are stacking. Yes, it is working. Take it from this mouth that it's working. So this was absolutely tremendous. If the Walgreens dandruff shampoo is not something that you wish to get, I will show you different deals with that, or different products that you can sub out or sub in. Now, I also went to the Dollar General yesterday. Today is the last day, which is Sunday, June the 11th, for their clearance event. I'm going to show you some other stuff that I was finding today. And if you wish to go to your store and look around, it might be worth your time. On Monday the 12th, all these products that were 50% off will be, if it was, $2.50. Today, it's going to be back to $5 on Monday. So I will show you some more stuff at the very end of the video. I'd ask a huge kindness, and if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. It really helps out my channel and to get this video out to more shoppers. So just take a second and like this video. I would be so grateful. Okay guys, the first couple of deals we're going to look at is if you do not wish to do a booster but you just want some deals, these are the deals for you. We're going to be grabbing one of these Arm & Hammer detergents. The 27 count is a lot better, so the sensitive or the one on the very left is the ones to get because the 21 count ones are so tiny. We have this digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. So looking at the math for this, it's very easy. An Arm & Hammer for $1.99, subtracting that dollar digital coupon, you're paying 99 cents. And hello, this is a deal. You can do this once per store card, and I believe coupons.com and ShopMe also has $1 back. So maybe you can apply for that if you grab two. But what a great deal. We haven't seen this price in probably a year. It has been really a long time since I've had insert coupons in these hands, and just to let you know, this is the only one from last week's insert that actually works. The other ones are for larger products, for larger count of the pods or the scent beads, so it's not working, only this one. Fortunately, we don't have a coupon to go with because this is a 14 count, but this is still $1.99, original price $8.29. So yeah, look at that, guys. And then the scent beads, $7.79 down to $1.99. Just the sales price, so that is not too shabby. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Garnier, either the hairsprays or the shampoo. Now, I suspected that whole blends might be part of this. It absolutely isn't. It wasn't tagged at my store, so not even going to try it out. But here it is. And in the app, if you try to throw two into a basket, it's bringing up full price, not the sales price. Sales price is in-store only. $4 reward when you buy two of these. So what you're going to do, guys, is I grabbed shampoo because I'm a boring lady. Two in a basket for $8. And I grabbed, yes, a shampoo and a conditioner. And then we have this digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off of 2. So make sure that you have that guy loaded. Very easy deal. Two of these shampoos is $8 on the nose. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the two, or 50 cents per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Use $5 to earn that $4 register reward, and that should work for you. Other superb deals this week, I believe, are the $1.99 complete home garbage bags, and medium is included. So that's a larger garbage bag if that is your thing. It says save $3. So I like it when they throw these into the mix. And then, as suspected, all Snuggle, those products, $3.99 this week. They're usually $8.29. We have $1.50 digital and $1. So it'll either be $2.49 or $2.99. So if you wanted to stock up on the all, I know a lot of people just live for that detergent. That would be a really solid deal. Okay, so this is the basket that I grabbed, and these are the boosters that I had loaded. A 12 back when you spend 50, which showed up this Sunday morning. A 10 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand products, and an 11 back when you spend 50 that came out of the Catalina machine. All of these stacked, and I got $33 back. This was my basket. Two of the Garnier shampoos for $8, $21.96 of the Walgreens brand dandruff shampoo, and $21.96 of the Tide promotion. And it's buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And just to show you, you would find it in the regular shampoo aisle. The bigger one is $9.99, and then I got 3 of the smaller ones at $5.99 on a BOGO 50% off. No coupons to go with, but I did use some manufacturer register rewards for this product to get it a lesser out of pocket. And then just to show you the visuals, I grabbed 2 of the Garnier shampoos. Alternatively, if you wanted to grab hairspray, go for that as well. And it's on a promotion of buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. And then the final thing that I grabbed was $21.96 of the P&G laundry products, and it's on a promotion this week of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And even though I mixed and matched it with like softener, dryer sheets, detergent, I still got it. I know that in the past it was always a wild card. Are you going to get it? Are you not going to get it? I got it. Now we also have dollar digital coupons to go with all these products. And also the last product was the Tide Pod as well. I have dollar digital coupons to go with all 4 of these products. So that's why this was a bit advantageous for me. So I had the dollar for the softener, the dollar for the dryer sheets, the dollar for the detergent, and then the dollar for the pods. And I also threw in, I think like $10 in register rewards, manufacturer register rewards if you look at the top. But I'm not going to show this in the mathematical breakdown because a lot of people get pissed off at me and they're like, bah, 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 bah. So I'm not going to show it. But yes, you can use these specific ones to get your out of pocket a lot less. Scan your Walgreens brands first, so it will attach with this. So all the other digital coupons will come off for products such as the Garnier or the Tide. Okay, looking at this mathematical breakdown, $21.96 of the Walgreens brand dandruff shampoo, and then 4 of the Tide Bounce Downy products for $21.96. 2 of the Garniers for $8 for a grand total of $51.92. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, which was $11 back when you spend $50. Then I had my 2 digitals loaded, which was $12 back when you spend $50 and $10 back when you spend $20 on Walgreens brand products. I also had $7 in digital manufacturers, 4 for the P&G laundry care, and then 3 for Garnier. So $44.92 with your debit card. Got back $33 in Walgreens cash for the stacking boosters, plus $9 in register rewards, 4 for Garnier, 5 for Tide, making this $2.96 for this haul. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And I had a good bunch of Dawn and then that $8 one for the razor last week, that trimmer. So basically I paid a lot less out of pocket. I think I had like $12 in register rewards. So it was a free haul for me, but I know a lot of you will look at the brass tacks of the math and say, hey, that's wrong. So $3, still fantastic for all this stuff. Okay, friends, now this is where you really have to pay attention. If you're like, hey, I don't want all that dandruff shampoo, that is not for me. What you're going to do is open up the Walgreens app and scan items in the store that are Walgreens, like the brand. And if it comes up with this of that first thing, additional perks of $20 and then get $10 of Walgreens cash. For example, if you wanted to grab one of these, it's like a Venus dupe for $15.99, and then grab $4 and some change of the Walgreens brand body wash. Both of those, when I scanned them in store, they were attaching with that promotion. So 2 body washes and 1 razor, that would be $20.96, and you would be on your way to a $50 basket. Double, triple check the math, scan the barcodes to ensure that it's working. If you really wanted to get $20 of Walgreens brand body wash, you can do that too. And there's also a Dove dupe, that's the Walgreens brand, alternative deals. Okay, so let's cruise through the Dollar General. Last day for the clearance event. I got a table of stuff yesterday, and it's a pretty respectful haul. Lots of puzzles for a quarter, which was really bizarre. And if you are completely lost about this, I made a video last week just walking you through the clearance event and how things work over there, showing you a lot of barcodes for products. Check out this video linked at the end. So specifically, the 90% off toys, Yellow Dot Toys, found a bunch yesterday, and I'm like, what is going on? Specifically puzzles, and they look like nice puzzles too. So we're looking for puzzles that have this, which is a yellow dot, and they should be ringing up 90%. I'm going to show you guys a couple of the barcodes, but they were 25 cents each. So they were 50, and then half of that, which is a quarter. I'm going to donate a bunch of these to an old folks home. I think they'll really appreciate it. And I want to actually do a couple. I haven't done puzzles since 2020. So I'm going to do a couple of those. And the Blockbuster one, also 16 candles, 300 counter. 25 cents as well. So I grabbed a couple of those. I actually thought that was a DVD when I first saw it. I didn't know what it was. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. And the Frozen, excellent stocking stuffer for my nieces. They love that movie. And this was 30 cents. So you can't fight with that price point. And at the front of the store where they have all the body wash, that sky shelf is where I was finding the majority of all of these body washes and such. So like that's where you might want to look. I also found some Purple Dot Home, and this was ringing up really weird because I think it should have been 50 cents, but it was ringing up 37 cents. So the 75 cents that it was like an extra 50% off of that. So I was paying 37 cents for these kitchen towels. So that's Purple Dot. If this is your thing, by all means, look for them. I'm going to look for more because 37 cents for a dish towel is totally where it's at. The final thing, just some meat and potatoes items. The first is the Resolve, and there's also a $1.50 rebate on IBOTTA. So I'm going to get that as well. But basically grabbing one of these, we have a dollar digital, you'll pay 77 cents, and then a $1.50 back from IBOTTA, so it makes it a small money maker. So if you find these, make it happen, guys. And then the Sensodyne is 75 cents after the digital coupon. And I found one more yesterday. I was so happy about that. And then I was able to find one more of these oils for those essential misters, and that was 75 cents. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.